Hey guys, I've sat myself down by the creek to make this vlog for you today, and I'm surrounded by two very naughty little puppies. And today I want to show you guys a bit more of what this place has to offer, such as this dandelion. This is the normal size, compared to the Canadian one. As you can see, that's quite the difference. These are Saskatoon berries and they grow literally everywhere. They kind of taste like blueberries, but they're a bit seedier. I really like to eat them. You have to be careful because bears also like them. But I know one creature that loves them more. And that's this little dude called Ransom. But to be honest, it's almost an addiction. Today we're going to work with this handsome lad, and his name is Stretch. Which is ironic because it's the one thing he's not very good at. Stretch is a Tennessee walker, but he gets his gaits a bit confused because he's not very aware of where his hinds are. And because of that, we're going to work with some poles today. As you can see, one hind leg is in front of the pole and one hind leg is behind the pole. I would like him to take his left hind back over the pole again. There you go. We'll practice this with both the front and the hind legs to help him develop a general sense of balance and coordination with his legs. Because now he really has to think about where do I place my feet and how high do I lift them. We're going to ride Stretch in a second, but first, let me introduce the other farm animals to you. Good morning, chicken. That was a nice break, Stretch. Are you ready to ride? The second you think, let's go for a ride. Thunder and lightning. So it's safe to say we did not go for that ride, as you never ride in a thunderstorm. And unfortunately, lightning struck very close by, so I had to go and check whether or not something was on fire. And now I'm very dirty. So I'm gonna go in and take a shower. I'm done for today. There's nothing else I can do. There's nothing on fire, so that's good. I will see you guys next week. Bye!